Students in Queens, New York have created a giant replica of Billie Jean King's tennis racket in an attempt to set a Guinness World Record. It was displayed on Monday, August 27th, the same day as the opening of the U.S. Open in Flushing. It was hoisted above the intersection at 85th Avenue and 164th Street in Jamaica Hills, Queens. The racket is 50 feet long and is an exact replica of the old-school wooden rackets with plastic tube strings. It took 10 days to build and 30 to 35 people to build it. It is only to be displayed for one day, but its creators hope that it will eventually be moved to a children's museum. Ashrita Furman is the organizer of the event and worked with his spiritual group on the project.
Well, this is an old-fashioned racket. We got permission from Guinness to model the racket after an old-fashioned wood racket. People basically don't use wood rackets anymore. But they said as long as it's actually exactly to scale and it's used the same exact materials, then we can use an old-fashioned wood racket. And so this is the world's largest tennis racket. It's 50 feet long.
The meditation class funded the project in order to honor their spiritual teacher, Sri Chinmoy. The late leader shares a birthday with the opening date of the U.S. Open and once played tennis with Billie Jean King.